Welcome to another free home workout video. Let's go. Right leg up, swirl the hip, keep it smooth, and switch sides. Left leg rotation. Let's go. Explode up, knees to chest. Keep this pace strong to maximize that calorie burn. Keep those knees up high. We are halfway there, don't give up now. You've got this. Rest. Whew. Let's go. Right knee to right elbow. Crunch and release. Keep that steady pace. Feel the burn in those abs. Rest. Let's go. Focus on that full range of motion. It's essential for getting the best results from this oblique crunch. Let's go. Explode up and crunch those abs. Power through. Keep this pace, we're almost there. Drive that knee. Halfway there. Keep that energy up, we are almost done. Rest. Let's G. Congratulations, you did it. Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Come on, stay strong. Crunch it out. Down and up. Really tighten that waist. We are almost there. Halfway there, team. Stay focused, breathe through it, and let's push through this burn together. Rest. Last one. Keep alternating those toe touches. You got this. Keep going, everyone. We are almost there. Finish strong now for maximum results. You got this. Engage that core and reach across. Nice controlled movement. Alternate sides, breathe. You got this. Congratulations, you did it. Woo.
Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do this every day for the next 30 days. Consistency is key for long-term success with the 7-day challenge.
Lift that right knee and swirl it out, nice and controlled. Now quickly switch legs. Left knee up and rotate. Keep moving to the beat. Stay focused on your balance as you continue these hip rotations. We are halfway there. Rest. Rest. Let's go. Clap high, touch low. That's it, keep the energy up. Don't slow down now, push past that comfort zone. Rest. Let's go. Squeeze the waist as you crunch and lift the leg high. Control it on the way down and repeat. Rest. Nice. Let's go. Further isolate the side abdominals. Drive that elbow down, push through it. Keep that heart rate up. We have 10 more seconds on this side. Rest. Ooh. Let's go. Keep that core tight, everyone. Really contract those obliques. Crunch it out, you got this. Keep going, team, we are halfway there. Push through the burn, you've got this. Rest. Let's go. Keep that core tight. Drive the knee up with power. Let's finish strong. We have 5 more seconds. We are halfway there. Keep pushing. Don't stop now. Maintain that speed. Rest. Let's go. The routine transitions to ensure balanced power and toning on both sides of the body. Rest. Let's go. Oblique crunches, side to side. Keep the rhythm. Finish strong. Keep it rhythmic. We're crunching side to side now. Squeeze those obliques. Keep pushing, last few seconds. Halfway there, team. Keep that core engaged and movement steady. Congratulations, you did it!
Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Now we're doing the cross toe reach. Make sure to alternate sides smoothly, keeping those legs straight to target the hamstrings. Now reach across to your left toe and switch. Keep your breathing steady. We are halfway there. Congratulations, you did it. Get ready. Let's warm up those hips. Swirl that knee outwards, big circle, and switch legs. You got this, keep moving with the music. Now switch legs, maintaining that balance. Focus on your form, you're doing great. Halfway through this set, let's go. Come on, let's go. High knees, high energy. Drive those knees up. Keep pushing, don't give up now. Halfway there, everyone. Keep those knees up. Don't stop now, push through the burn. Let's go. Now perform that side crunch, engaging the obliques. And extend into the lateral leg raise with control. Keep it precise. Rest. Let's go. Congratulations, you did it.
Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Get ready. Right swirl. And 1, 2, keep breathing. Rotate that knee outward, nice and controlled. Let's switch sides. Halfway there. Continue these hip rotations, focusing on your balance and staying consistent with the movement. Get ready. Team, 30 seconds on the clock. We're maximizing caloric burn with high knee jacks. Explode up, drive those knees high. Halfway there. Keep pushing. Rest. Let's go. All right, keep that core tight. Crunch in, knee to elbow, and extend. Great job, maintain that balance. You've got this. Keep that form strong and switch sides now. Roll it over. Perfect. Now give me that knee to elbow crunch and extend for the leg raise. Rest. Let's go. Way. Maintain that brisk pace. Keep the core tight. 8 more seconds. Rest. Last one. Halfway there, team, keep that energy up. Alternate the reach, maintain the rhythm, and keep those legs straight.
Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Want faster results? Bookmark this link. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Get ready. Get ready. Let's get those hips warmed up. Right knee up, rotate outward in a circle, and switch. Keep it fluid and rhythmic, preparing for the cardio ahead. Keep your core stable and find your balance. Consistency is key with these movements. We are halfway there. Keep smiling. Rest. Get ready, Mia. Drive those knees up. Come on, you've got this. Keep that core tight and match my energy. Halfway there. Keep pushing, we're almost done with this set. Don't stop now. Rest. Let's go. Bring that knee to your elbow for the crunch and extend. Keep that core tight. Side crunch and extend. Keep that core tight. We're almost there, just a few more seconds on this side.